How to remove TikTok account warning. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok account warning. So let's get into it. Sometimes when you do not obey the rules and regulations of TikTok, it gives you an account warning, or if someone basically reports on TikTok, it gives you an account warning right below your username on your profile. You will see that your account warning or something like that written in red. So how to basically remove that? So first of all, you have to open your TikTok and then you have to go onto your profile. When you're onto your profile, you have to click on these three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. When you're onto settings and privacy, you can just scroll down to the bottom and you are going to see an option which says report a problem. Just click on that and then you are going to see in the topics of account and profile. When you're into it, you're basically going to see that manage account, and then you can go on and select anything like how to change deleting an account, how to deactivate, or you can just go on and see your profile page settings and you are going to find your different options right here. So you can just go to an other. In there, you're going to find this specific option, and then you're going to say that your problem is not resolved. Click on no, and then you need to click on this need more help. When you're done, you're basically going to write to them that I'm sorry, I did not know the rules or regulations of TikTok, so please remove the account warning from my profile and everything. So just go on and add that, and then you are going to click on submit, and they are going to review your report, review your account, and review your your settings or your activity and everything, and then they are going to remove the account warning from your profile. So it is that easy, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.